Nana challenge her to please go down there. Go with your stick. She go leave. What is today's date?
Today is 29th of January 2012.
What is your name?
My name is Ashinwa.
Where are you from?
I'm actually from Kingston, Jamaica.
What kind of food you love to eat?
I love to eat curry chicken and white rice.
That's it?
And vegetable.
See, what is
Not
your
like
favorite thing about Jamaica?
The culture. Their dance. Yes. The carnivals that they keep and all that stuff.
Who is your favorite reggae artist?
I'll say Tara Riley.
Yes. Is there anything you would like to add?
More money. Yeah.
What? Have you ever left Jamaica?
I've never left Jamaica. You can ask me anything that you want.
Okay, what are your talents?
My talent. Well, I'm a very talented person. I like dove poetry. I dance. I sing. I play football. I play netball. I also play tennis, table tennis. I can also do a lot of things. I'm a real actor. What are my talents? So I'm multi-talented.
You can do a sample of the dope poetry.
Sample of the dope poetry?
Just a little,
okay,
yeah.
Then. I love to stand for it.
In Pato.
It's kind of mixed English and Pato. Poverty, it's a mash up the land. Poverty, it's a kill the humans. Poverty, it's a get out to What's the word in poverty? One of Jamaica's biggest industry. If clear the space and get for real free, we need more jobs in the community. My name big and bold, me attack really free. Jamaica, we there over time to take the fight. We need to start rise and give them some shots. Overtime no for rise to the top. The pandas police, I shoot them, sever them, kill them, wife and them, picnic them. Child abuse, sexual abuse, don't know. Tell me some enough have no youth. Jamaica, only need to take a look again. Make new plan and set the trend. Uno for call the man when he have God. Believe in him and him will bless the land. Aye, aye, aye.